Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be explaining how you can connect Bluetooth headphones and speakers to your Windows PC. It's super easy to connect your devices, so without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications with the bell icon so you're instantly notified whenever I post a video. Let's get started. First, you want to put the headphones or speaker that you want to connect to your PC in pairing mode or discovery mode. I'll demonstrate using my Powerbeats 3. On these, you press and hold the power button until the light begins flashing slowly. I'll also show what it looks like on the Samsung soundbar. On this one, you just turn it on and set it to Bluetooth mode to put it in pairing mode. On your PC, you want to open the Settings app and click Devices. By default, it should bring you to Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device to get started. This will open a new window that will ask what kind of device you want to add. Click Bluetooth. Your PC will then begin searching for any Bluetooth devices that are nearby. Once you see your device, click it. Once it says Connected Voice Music, then you are good to go. If you want to use your headphones or speaker with your PC afterwards, you do not have to repair it. You'll only have to turn them on and it should automatically connect to your PC if Bluetooth is on. If this video helped you, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the like button. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.